Let's activate your Windows or Office permanently. Only in few steps without using any third-party software. Let's begin. Hit Windows button and type PowerShell, and right-click and run PowerShell as administrator. Type the above command exactly in PowerShell window. Now hit Enter and wait for a few seconds to load the activation window. Meanwhile the command is loading, please subscribe the channel and hit bell icon. Now you will see a new window with a list of activation methods. As you can see, there are many options to choose next command to activate Windows, Office, or check activation status, and more. To activating Windows, hit 1 on your keyboard to start the activation process for Windows. Hit 1 again on Next command screen. The activation process starts begin, and in few more seconds you will get a confirmation text. Congratulations, your Windows is now activated permanently. For activating Microsoft Office, do the same, but this time hit 2 on keyboard to open Office activation window. Hit 1 to install the Office activation files. Wait few more seconds to finish the activation for MS Office, and do not forget to subscribe my channel to get more tutorials. That's it, your Office is also activated permanently. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.